MOTO Guzzi launched a new bike at the recent open house event in the form of a special edition retro cafe racer, the MotoGuzzi V7 Stone Corsa. MotoGuzzi V7 Stone Corsa is the newest family in the V7 line. It's just that he is equipped with several accessories to show off his sporty impression. Because MOTO Guzzi will hold the Fast Endurance Trophy again in early 2023. MotoGuzzi V7 Stone Corsa is the newest family in the V7 line. It's just that he is equipped with several accessories to show off his sporty impression. Then use a special saddle that is designed exclusively. At first glance it looks like a single seat, because the back is made higher. Even so, it can still be used as a pillion. Several detailed accessories reflect a retro modern iron horse, such as the black anodized aluminum fuel cap, special edition badge on the riser bar, and black bar end mirrors which add to its classic appeal. Plus the iconic eagle symbol is placed right in the middle of the round headlights. The engine is still the same as the other V7 families, packing an 853cc E-twin engine, 6-speed transmission with shaft drive, and meets Euro 5 emission standards. The transverse placement of the iconic 90-degree engine and tough design ensure stability when maneuvering. To prioritize maximum comfort, a 40mm diameter front hydraulic telescopic fork is combined with a twin-sided swing arm with the latest shock absorber, which can be adjusted for preload. Allows you to sit comfortably when passing various road profiles. The braking system consists of stainless steel discs with 4-piston Brembo calipers at the front and 2 pistons at the rear. The rims are made of light aluminum alloy, 18 inches at the front and 17 inches at the rear. Meanwhile, the dry weight is 198 kilograms. Apart from the color, the V7 Stone Corsa has LED technology in all the lights, a hidden LCD dashboard in the offset position, traction control, dual-channel ABS, and a warning plate with the initials TORSA in the middle of the handlebars. In Europe, the V7 Stone Corsa is listed at €9,999.